Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the Live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Thursday, December 17th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we had today in the room. Today we had 3 trades with an add-on, and I'm going to let you know what we did on those trades. The first trade was 9 o'clock in the morning. It was an RS trade. 2061 quarter, 2061 quarter, right at the top of that wick almost, I called it. Some people waited for the candle to close and they grabbed it at 60.75. Either way, that's fine. First major target that we had was 57.50, and then we had 53 quarter. And then I told everybody, if they can hold it. We also had an add-on here or a new entry. I told everybody if they can hold it. I said this is where the market's going, and yes, I had this circle the whole time on the chart. Most people did not get that far, obviously, because they ran out of contracts. But those with larger traders who did certainly made part of that. So that was the first trade, and you'll see that worked out nicely. Second trade was a power play. Power play was at 2054.50. That was either a new entry or an add-on. Add-on here, as you can see from the entry up here, add-on would have brought your average somewhere around here. Okay, about 58.50 or so, 58, and you'll see the market never came back to that. So some people added on there, and obviously they made as much as they wanted to make on the trade. I told everybody all along there was no material reason to get out of the trade, and some people took various different profit targets there down to the 38.50. Now the new entry or add-on price was at 54.50. On the 921 candle, and if somebody just took that as a new entry only and it wasn't an add-on, that would have been up to about 4 points on that trade. As you see, it went down to about 50 quarter, and then it came back up. After the trade goes 2 or 3 points, we're going to have everybody go to entry. So obviously, that when it came up there, and any runners, they would have been taken out, or they were just out of the trade at up to a 4-point profit on that. Anybody who added on, like I said, their average would have been there. I could have made whatever they really wanted to on the trade, and that was beautiful to the downside. Once the market hit our downside target here, we waited a couple candles, and we got long here after the 1030 candle. We got long at 2040 quarter. First target was 2043. I told everybody we were going to try to get up to the 50. See that line there? That was there the whole time, and you will see that it did make it up there, but that was during lunch. We closed the room right here. So I told everybody right here, you're either going to take, get out around here as it was bouncing around here between 46, 47, or it's getting late in the morning. You're either going to hold it to see if it can get up to the 50, or you're going to have to get out of the room when we close it, which was right around here. So they would have gotten about 45, 50, 45, something like that. They had to be flat. So still almost 5 points from the entry. Some people got up to 6. Some people even got 7, but 5 to 6 points realistically on those targets. And again, we closed the room here. So that was what we did today. We're going to come back again and do it tomorrow. Until then, guys, have a great day, and happy trading.